Fire? Okay. Gotta learn how to do with that then, right?
You should have made a little boat.
That's alright.
Okay, take the tail. Just tie it. Tie a knot.
Which one's the tail?
That's the head there.
That's the head. This is the tail. Now just tie a knot.
Yep.
You're not going to use, theirs is that butthole. Yeah, you're not going to use any ropes or anything?
For the next part we will. Not this part. Just a knot.
Typical knot. That should get a little bit more, right?
Yep, okay. Try to get it tight without ripping the hide.
And all the way down as close to the end as I can.
Yep. Well, don't have to be as close to the end. It'll be alright.
Okay. Just as long as it's tight.
Good. As long as it's tight.
Without breaking it. Is that tough skin? Snake skin? Will it?
Yeah, it's pretty tough. You'll rip it if you do it too much. Now fill him full of water.
Alright. You better have a deeper hole like back there. There's somebody's footprint. Nice. Water's running this way. Clear out. Is this water going to be used theoretically for drinking?
Yes. Okay. You're not actually going to drink it. It's just.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
to show you.
All intents and purposes.
You can make a canteen out of them.
That's the best way to fill them. Just keep swishing.
The best way to fill them would be with a cup of water and a funnel.
You get water in it. Is it leaking out though? No.
I think it's just. It might. That's just runoff from the hide.
Okay. I thought I had more than that in there. Oh, yeah, this might take a while.
That's a big snake. He's bigger than what you think.
Might have better luck over here, but it's kind of running faster.
Yeah, it's faster.
Let it fill in.
Okay.
That sucker is holding a lot of water.
That's pretty good.
A little pinhole.
Oh, he's got a pinhole on him.
That ain't bad now. Little duck there just sealed it up.
That's the whole thing of
Wait, do it again. Do it again.
Thirsty.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Lack of oxygen or airflow through it almost prevents it from leaking out. As soon as you crack the top of the airflow, then it starts.
Hold on.
Now here,
Would you wash that out a couple times?
yeah, preferably wash it out a couple times.
Squirt gun.
But you get the general idea here. Tie the tail. And now you can use a paracord to make a sling.
There's how you drink right there.
You can make a sling.
What do you mean? Oh.
Tie it on each side.
Tie it on each side of them, then you got a sling. Put it over
Oh,
your shoulder.
okay. And then you can carry it. It's like a canteen. Whoa. That's
Yeah.
wild.
That's what you're doing.
Making use out of Mother Nature. And this is, happens to be particularly a snake, but nobody would ever think of that. Okay, I'm thirsty. I'm going to get a drink of water, Mike.
Go ahead, do it.